Let's talk about elemental analysis of Iran. The Islamic Republic of Iran, located in Western Asia. It is the sixth largest country in Asia, one of the oldest civilizations in the world. Iran is the regional and middle power with geopolitical strategic location in the Asian continent. Iran has one of the largest refugee population in the world. Why Iran having large number of refugees? I will explain through elemental analysis of Iran. In the name of Iran, first letter I, which is symbol of iodine. Second and third letter R and A, which is symbol of radium. Fourth letter is N, which is symbol of nitrogen. So in the name of Iran, three elements are there: iodine, radium and nitrogen. Iodine occupied group 17 in the modern periodic table. Other elements in group 17, fluorine and chlorine are gases, bromine is liquid, iodine alone, lustrous solid. So iodine differ from its own group elements. Similarly, Iran differ from other Islamic countries for handling refugees. Iran hosts one of the largest refugee population in the world, with almost 1 million refugees from Afghanistan and Iraq. Second element in the name of Iran is radium, which is radioactive in nature. Generally, radioactive element act as a primary role in the nuclear weapon program. This radioactive radium occupied center of other two elements in the name of Iran. Similarly, Iran relation with international community revolve around this nuclear program. Next element in the name of Iran is nitrogen. In nitrogen molecule, two nitrogen atoms bound together with strong covalent bond. Similarly, Iran is a diverse country consisting of numerous ethnic and linguistic groups that are unified under Iranian nationality. They are linked with strong bond like nitrogen. In the name of Iran, three elements are there: iodine, radium and nitrogen. Lustrous iodine like a lighthouse which attract the refugees from Iraq and Afghanistan. Center element of radioactive radium is responsible for Iranian nuclear program is center point when Iran made relation with international community. Strongly bonded nitrogen is responsible for many ethnic and linguistic groups unified under Iranian nationality. Hope enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.